Welcome back. The Planet Hollywood row is turning high profile. The resort is headed by noted actor Sachin Joshi, and Shah Rukh Khan's wife Gauri has done interiors of the resort. SRK was also present for signing ceremony in the resort. It is alleged that Panchayat gave permissions to the resort by accepting 30 lakhs per punch. Sarpanch says that a Jon Gram Sabha will be held after electing of new Sarpanch and not on 19th April. Panchayat will conduct site inspection of Planet Hollywood on 23rd April and grant NOC only after Gram Sabha is held.
Planet Hollywood, managed by Ramesh Hotels and Resorts Private Limited, hosted its signing ceremony. Who's who of Bollywood had come down for the ceremony, hosted by interior designer Gauri Shah Rukh Khan and managing director of Planet Hollywood Goa, Sachin Joshi. But the premises is in question as it is yet to acquire NOC and occupancy certificate. Gram Sabha member who had exposed this illegality has been charged with burning outward register of Panchayat on Friday. Alixo Pereira said, "I never did that.
I have never gone to the Panchayat after 2 o'clock in the evening." First point. Does it suit me to destroy the records which I need in the court of law to stop them from doing an illegality?
Sarpanch claims that there are witnesses who saw Alixo burning Panchayat records on Friday.
तुम्ही म्हणता तुमगे ते एलिगेशन आपण केलं म्हणून आपणाचे म्हणता फॉल्स आहे.
I know staff members were there. They have seen.
Because he's saying
proofs are there, no?
He's saying
eyewitness are there. After the Sarpanch elections.
New Sarpanch.
Yeah, I already put on the paper also the notice.
But before that, will you all issue NOC or occupancy to that project?
Inspection will be held on 23rd.
So the project will be issued permission only after the Gram Sabha?
Yeah, after the Gram Sabha.
Looks like new Sarpanch will have to handle the headache of Planet Hollywood's NOC controversy, in which complainant Alixo Pereira has alleged that acting Sarpanch and 7 Panch members accepted bribe of 35 lakhs rupees each to give clearances. Savio Dias for Prudent.
British Visa Access Centre is likely to be set up in Goa towards the end of April. British High Commission head of Mumbai, Colin Wells, informed that this is an initiative to strengthen ties between India and the United Kingdom. Now, people applying for British visa will have an opportunity to get it in Goa itself.
The visa service between for Indians wanting to go to the United Kingdom exists. What we're doing is providing an opportunity for possible visa applicants in Goa to actually submit their applications here in Goa. We're bringing a mobile visa access centre. As you probably know, we have them in Mumbai, and people from Goa have to go up there to submit their applications. What we're doing is giving an opportunity for them to be able to do that here in Goa by bringing a mobile visa access service to Goa for a few days at the end of April, and if that's a success, perhaps we'll see it a bit more often.
A conference was held in Panji of British Business Group. The meet is held once in 3 months.
As we call these guys from British Deputy High Commission Office and UK IBC Office. It's a relationship that we are working on to have some British companies come into Goa where we can generate employment for our local people.
Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
It's not that police is reluctant to register FIR of only common citizen, but making no discrimination, it does not register FIR of its own aggrieved staff. A PSI attached with Panji police station is agitated as it took Akasai police 20 days to register his FIR of theft in his house. A suspected electrician stole foreign currency worth 1,49,000 rupees from the victim's house while fitting AC.
We have seen many complaints that police does not register FIR over the complaint and keep dragging heels. This time a PSI is facing inaction of Akshi police. According to the victim PSI, an electrician had come to fit an AC in his house on 21st March and again on 22nd March to do wiring. But using the situation, the suspect electrician stole foreign currency worth 1,49,000 rupees. After a few days, when mother of the PSI learnt about the theft, she lodged a complaint with Akshi police. Akshi police has registered the FIR on Saturday, that too after 20 days, and further informed that investigation is going on. The victim PSI himself raises a question that if this is the situation with the police officer, then what would Akshi police be doing with common people? Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.